In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Excel animated chart using VBA. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to work. Make sure you're in the correct file before moving on, because the VBA code you add will be stored inside that workbook. If you plan to save your macro, it's also a good idea to use a macro-enabled workbook format, so your code remains available the next time you open the file. Once your workbook is open, press Alt and F11 on your keyboard to open the Visual Basic Editor, also known as the VBE. This is the built-in environment where you can write, edit, and run VBA code inside Excel. If this is your first time using it, don't worry. We're only using a few basic actions here. In the Project Explorer, find and select your workbook. After that, go to the top menu, click Insert, and then choose Module. This will create a new standard module and a blank code window will appear. That code window is where you'll place the VBA procedure. Next, create the VBA procedure by copying the code shown in the video and pasting it into the module. If needed, pause the video so you can carefully enter everything exactly as shown. This part is important because even a small typo in VBA can prevent the code from running properly. Take your time and make sure the procedure name and the code structure match what's displayed. After pasting the code, you can modify the dictionary entries. Replace the sample key value pairs with your own data if you'd like. In this setup, the key acts like a unique label used to find a specific item, while the value is the actual information connected to that label. So in simple terms, the key helps VBA look up the value quickly and accurately. When you're ready to test it, click anywhere inside the Create Dictionary procedure and press F5. That will run the macro directly from the editor. If Excel prompts you about macros, make sure macros are enabled so the procedure can execute normally. Finally, verify the results. A message box should appear showing the value linked to the key A02. In the sample code, that result is a sample name. This confirms that the dictionary was created correctly and that the lookup worked as expected. And that's it. You've opened the VBA editor, inserted a module, added a procedure, customized the dictionary entries, and run the macro successfully. Once you're comfortable with this process, you can use the same approach as a foundation for more advanced Excel VBA automation.